Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to tint Chrysler 300 windows. First, let's prepare for a smooth installation. You'll need to gather essential tools such as your chosen tint film, a squeegee, and a heat gun. Next, thoroughly clean both the inside and outside of your windows using a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth to remove any dirt or debris. Finally, measure each window precisely to ensure your tint film is cut to the correct size, allowing for a perfect fit. Now that your windows are clean and your film is cut, it's time for application. Begin by generously spraying the window with a slip solution. This allows you to easily position the film. Carefully peel the protective liner from the tint film, exposing the adhesive side. Then, gently place the adhesive side onto the wet glass. Take your time to accurately position the film, ensuring it completely covers the window with a slight overlap for trimming. With the film in place, it's time to perfect the application. Use your squeegee to firmly push out all water and air bubbles, working from the center of the window outwards. This step is crucial for a smooth finish. Next, carefully trim any excess film around the window's edge using a sharp utility blade. Be precise to avoid damaging the window seals. Double-check for any remaining gaps or overlaps to achieve a truly professional look. For a flawless finish, use a heat gun to gently shrink and conform the tint film to any curved areas of your Chrysler 300 windows. This helps eliminate fingers or creases. After installation, it's vital to allow the tint to cure for at least 3 to 5 days. Avoid rolling down your windows during this period. Finally, inspect your newly tinted windows for any small bubbles or imperfections and gently smooth them out with your finger or a soft cloth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.